Discreet, compact, and one of the coolest UIs that I've ever had the pleasure of testing. Today, my friends, we're talking about the Biscuit Pro by Biscuit Shop, an educational Wi-Fi auditing tool, which is honestly one of the coolest pen testing gadgets that I have ever had the pleasure of owning. Hi, I'm your pal Cal, and this thing is one of the coolest things that I've ever seen. This device was developed by Hedge over at Biscuit Shop. He had a full video. If you want to see the video is cinema, to say the least, and it's down below in the description. It's got an ESP32 Room 32 and an ESP32C5, dual band Wi-Fi, dual ESP32s, and just the amount of features this little guy has is phenomenal. It fits literally in your pocket, and this is, man, it's not something that I can just say, hey, it's in my everyday carry. It's on my everyday person. I love this thing, and I know I'm gonna be glazing Hedge this entire video, but he deserves it, man. This is ingenious. Now I'm gonna fill you guys in on a little story. My first day of testing this device was a little bit underwhelming. It was in last place for Wardriving. In 4 hours, he fixed it. This is now in second place, but he's still in first place. Let me explain. Not only do I have the pleasure of testing the Biscuit Pro, but also have the pleasure of beta testing the unreleased Biscuit Ultra, which if you want updates about this guy, you can find them in his Patreon down below in the description. This is for another video, but it is amazing. Another thing about the Biscuit Pro is it is incredibly durable, and I've added a MagSafe mount to the back of it. That way I can kind of just stick it to one of my mounts in my vehicle, and it just sits in place, scans, and let me show you guys the application that has won my heart completely. This video is brought to you by Midwest Gadgets and MidwestGadgets.org. When it comes to NFC and RFID education, Midwest Gadgets have tools for almost every function when it comes to reading and analyzing the NFC field on any device. Tap to pay function not working on your Android or iPhone, or just a weak signal, they have sticker repeaters that you can put on any device, as well as physical repeaters that come in handy a lot more than you'd think. Want to measure the NFC field on any NFC reader, writer, or emulator? Their Field Meter Pro can give you a digital or analog reading. They have coin and card-sized field detectors that give you a visual representation of any NFC field that might be around it. So if you're interested in NFC education and want some NFC tools, or to upgrade your existing NFC tools, check out MidwestGadgets.org. So this is the Biscuit Pro. It's small, compact, as I've mentioned before. You've got the Biscuit logo right there. I put a MagSafe mount. I really like how this looks. It's held together with 4 screws, and we've got a power button right there that we can cut on, status LED, as well as a charging LED on the other side next to the USB-C port. And let me show you guys what's on the inside. So inside we've got a 1000 milliamp hour battery. It fits snug right in there. It's kind of stuck in place. And the PCB is rather simple and beautiful, to say the least. On the top, we've got our ESP32 Room 32, and on the bottom right here, we have the ESP32C5 Room 1. On each side, we've got a boot and reset button on the top as well as the bottom, and we've got a JST connector right there that attaches to the battery. And man, I absolutely love the size, shape, form factor, and design layout of the PCB. Now, Hedge from Biscuit Shop has sent me this custom plate for the Biscuit, and we're going to be placing this on top of that and screwing it back together, and then showing you the UI, because the UI and the application on Android and iPhone is just simply amazing. Oh man, that looks phenomenal. The STL files are available online. I will link them down below in the description as well, but you could fit this in an Altoids can. You could fit this in anything that you could possibly want. And might I recommend this Galaxy Black ABS, because it just looks stunning, man. Now to get started with the Biscuit Pro, we hit the power button, we make sure that LED is turned on, and guys, as far as battery life, this thing can go 8 hours strong of continuous ward driving, and just the way it ward drives is phenomenal. We're gonna go to the Biscuit Manager app, which you can download from iOS or Android, and then right there, connect device, and it should say Biscuit Pro. Mine says Valitech Biscuit. We're gonna click on that, and show you guys the UI that I absolutely am in love with. So now that it's on and it's connected, we can literally just put this down, put it in our pocket, do whatever we want. On the top, it says ValleyTech Biscuit. We can change the name of the device. It tells us the MAC address, battery life, C5 firmware, and updating the firmware from the device. Oh man, I shouldn't have just updated it. It'll tell you firmware update. You click, you put in your credentials, Wi-Fi name and password, and it updates it over the air every single time there's an update. That is a phenomenal feature. Now you can plug in your wiggle stats, and let me zoom in for you to show you the wiggle stats right there. These are my current wiggle stats, and I think just with this device alone, I've gotten over 50,000 networks in the past week, driving my regular routes, not changing anything at all. Now we do have Bluetooth scan, Wi-Fi scan, we can scan APs. The Wardriving feature is the coolest feature here. Now to start Wardriving, all we gotta do is hit start Wardriving, or you can have it where you automatically connect and it automatically starts. We can Wardrive just for Wi-Fi, just for Bluetooth, or just for flock cameras. For those of you that are unaware, flock cameras are being installed all across the United States, and they're disgusting. Flock cameras are an invasion of privacy, and I don't want to live in an Orwellian, terrifyingly surveillanced state, man. And you can do your part by mapping out these cameras just for your own sanity. I personally like to know where they are because I want to know what my county is spending taxpayer dollars on. These are disgusting cash grabs by evil AI companies that just want to implement mass surveillance while giving you the guise of safety. There's nothing safe about having a corrupt police officer using these cameras to stalk their exes and such. So if you guys want more information about flock camera safety and flock camera detection, Louis Rossman has an entire website dedicated to you going into your local council, county office and meetings about these cameras, where you can keep these cameras from being installed in your area. I don't want to live in an Orwellian state, and I love the Biscuit Pro for adding that feature because it gives you that sense of relief of knowing exactly where they are. This isn't about, oh, I'm committing crimes, I need to know where they are. No, man. Snoop onto them as they snoop onto you. And there are a lot of projects that are doing this, such as Colonel Panics, OUI Spy, and we'll be going over a lot of flock camera detecting very, very soon. But the Biscuit Pro adds this feature, and it's for your own. It's for your own records. Hopefully soon that it could be built upon a database where everybody can crowdsource, just like Wiggle, just flock camera detection. And it's scary that it's come to this, man. Let me get back to the UI. Now down here it says Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and in that corner it says mesh. So let's get Wi-Fi first. In Wi-Fi we can scan for access points, scan stations, scan all, beacon frames, probe requests, deauth frames, raw capture, and if you look down there, it says detect Ponagachi, detect Wi-Fi pineapple, capture WPA handshakes, and PIM kids, as well as a channel analyzer. Now, there are tabs at the top for attacks and scanners. This thing is packed with the most professional features while also being an incredibly discreet device. And there's captive portals, there's karma attacks, deauth detectors, sleep attacks, bad message, probe attacks, rickroll, beacon spam, deauth attack, and in scanners, of course, we've got ping scan, ARP, port scan all, SSH scan, and telnet scan. Under Bluetooth, we've got Bluetooth scanning and Bluetooth attacks. Bluetooth scanning gives you Bluetooth, of course, scan, AirTag detection, flipper detection, flock detection, where we can just stick to flock camera detect, skimmer detection, where you can detect credit card skimmers in your area, mesh tastic detection, drone detection, and axon detection for body cameras. This is also an amazing, crazy feature to just give yourself an aspect of privacy. Under Bluetooth attacks, we've got Sour Apple, Swift Pair, Samsung Spam, Google Test Pair, Flipper Spam, BLE Spam all, AirTag Spoof. This little guy can detect body cameras and flock cameras. This is the ultimate counter surveillance device. Now down here it says mesh. Now we can just press play and it'll start to look for like Zigbee, Matter, and Thread mesh devices. Let's press play, and it actually takes a while. This isn't something that happens rather fast. It takes quite some time. Keep in mind that you cannot scan for a mesh device while you're Wardriving, so you're gonna have to stop Wardriving and then press play. And right there, we've already detected a Zigbee device, and we can analyze that and map it in our area. It'll actually tell you even more. 1 network, 1 packet, 25 channels. That, dude, this is just the beginning. This has just come out. So it's only a matter of time before this becomes a lot more better of an app, even though I think it's perfect the way it is. Now, my final thoughts about this device is it's very well-rounded. The Biscuit Pro is arguably the coolest and best counter surveillance device that I've ever added, not just to my EDC bag, but to my everyday person. Like, I carry this everywhere. I love it and I recommend it to everybody. I love this thing. I love the developer. I love the application. Dude, I mean it when I say it's my favorite device now. And you can flash the DIY Biscuit firmware and use the UI with an ESP32C5 dev kit and soon to be other ESP32C5 as well, like the Zhao and the WaveShare one. There's a lot in store. I don't want to spoil anything because that is for Hedge to announce. For more Biscuit related propaganda and Biscuit devices, check out biscuitshop.us, and for updates on the Biscuit Ultra and future projects, his Patreon once again is down below in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to Hedge Tech because the man makes amazing videos. I've linked him down below in the description as well. Also, maybe subscribe to this channel if you like the video. Maybe, I don't know. Totally up to you, man. I love your face. I love you guys. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for all the love and support to Hedge and to you all. You guys are amazing, and I could not thank you enough. We'll see you next time.